Hey guys, it is December the 27th, 2023, and today I was taking Christmas lights off of my Pindo palm tree and found a little surprise. Appears two little sprouts have germinated. These are the seeds from the Pindo. I tried to germinate seeds from the Pindo palm tree last year and they did not take, so I figured they weren't pollinated or just a bad batch, but this proves that this year's seeds are viable. There's two there, one right there, and you can see how they lodge. Those little round things right here, those are the seeds. The ones I've collected, I'm gonna get those germinated up and see if we can't grow some Pindo palm trees. Okay, so I removed the two Pindo palms that had rooted inside the tree trunk. Nice little roots on that one. This one still has the seed attached. But these are Pindo palm tree seedlings. Looks like a blade of grass if you didn't know any better. We'll get these potted up and then we'll work on getting the other seeds that I collected in some germination bins to see if we can't germinate a few more. And there we have the first two Pindo palms that have germinated from the 2023 seeds, potted up. So I take the seeds that I collected and I soak them in some warm water for 24 to 48 hours to help remove any of the excess flesh or fruit, and then let the seeds dry and get ready for germination. After I let the seeds soak in some water to help loosen the fruity flesh, I strip the flesh off, let them dry out a little bit, and then I put them in some lukewarm water for 24 to 48 hours to help hydrate them and get them ready to go into the moss baggies. And now I've got some sphagnum moss, or I also use orchid moss, that I soak in some warm water, separate it out, put it into some Ziploc baggies, and add the seeds. The seeds will then go into my little grow tent for propagation. And now I'll place the baggies with the Pindo seeds inside my grow tent. I do have a little heater down there just to keep the temperature up warm, grow lights. But we'll let them sit in here and see how long it takes them to germinate. I do have some other seeds that I have drying, getting ready to propagate, more Pindo seeds. These are some little desert rose and the two other Pindos that had already germinated, and this is a little sprout from a plumeria that I'm trying to get rooted in a little baggy ball there. As soon as I start having some germination with the Pindo palms, I'll do an update video, and there will be a link in the description and in the tab above. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.